All right, I'm going to walk you through the process of creating a meeting. Okay, so go into Teams. So all you got to do, open Teams and click on Calendar. So that's where I am right now. And then you're going to click New Meeting. So it's going to allow you to schedule a new meeting, and you're going to title it whatever you want. So we'll just say morning meeting. Add required attendees. So if you have a co-teacher or something like that, put them in as required attendees. And then you're going to pick start date. Okay, and then you're going to pick start time. So now if you type in the time, so say you have a specific time that class starts, for example, and all you have to do is make sure you type the time, press a space, and then type AM or PM, and then it'll allow you to put whatever time. If you forget the space, it won't let you do it. So don't forget the space. Okay. Now, here is where you're going to click repeating. So if this is a class, most likely it could be every weekday. If it's daily, that's going to include Saturday and Sunday, weekly, monthly, yearly. If you click custom, okay, it could be every other day. Okay, so you could make it be specific. Okay, but most of the time we're talking about a class. I'm just going to put this Monday through Friday. And now add a channel. If you have already created teams like I have, then you can add it to a specific channel. So I'm just going to put this in my test team and put it on the general channel. Okay, but if you have a specific channel you want to put it in a team, you can absolutely do that. And then that's it. That's the first step. So you're going to click send here. Okay, and that is going to set up your meeting. Okay, so you can see right here, I cannot click on it yet because the meeting is getting into the system. Okay, so it's not quite ready. All right, but I could go into my teams and go into test team. All right, here we go. So I'm going to click on this meeting. And you notice if I click back on the calendar, just so you know where I could get it from, both places, the meeting is here now. So see, it's clickable here. So let's click here, and we're going to, if you click from the calendar, the view is a little different. So let me go back to the team. Again, when I click on the meeting, I just click, it takes me right here. Okay. If I use the view from the calendar, okay, when I click on it, it's going to say I'm going to have to choose edit, and then I want to edit the series. Or if I only want to edit that one specific meeting, I would choose edit occurrence, but that's not the focus here. Here's where I want to go, meeting options. Okay. And that is right here. Okay. See, let's get the right one. Meeting options. All right, just got to turn on this other screen for a second and pull it over. Here we go. All right, so here's the options. In school, you're going to keep this, only me who can bypass the lobby. Okay, announce on callers, join or leave that on. Who can present, and you're going to choose specific people, and you're going to choose anyone that you put as a co-teacher and allow them to be a presenter. So that means once they're admitted to the meeting, they're automatically a presenter. That is a bonus. And then this allows people to unmute. So we want them to talk in class, let them unmute and allow reactions. And then you're going to click save. Okay. So now when I go back to my teams, okay, again, if I click from the meeting and I click edit, remember this is only that singular meeting, or this is edit the series. Okay, I can see everyone that I invited. Okay, now here is where you need to get the link. So right here. So I'm going to right click on this, and that's going to copy the link. Or do you see up here? I have this option, copy the link. And then that's the link that you're going to share to allow people to join the meeting. Okay, and that's it. So again, when you click on meeting options, even if you've already changed it once, you can now make changes to it. It's going to pull you up to this menu. If you don't make any changes, you don't have to worry about it. Okay. And that's it. So that's how you create a meeting, and specifically a recurring meeting with a specific start time, and then how to add other people as presenters.